There you are. Playing in the rain. You supposed to be doing something, girlfriend. Yeah, see how daddy do it. No, you supposed to be playing in the rain. Come on now. You done took your daddy out there. Ah, she cheated. Oh, was that fun or what? You enjoyed that?
You trying to go?